Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. I am the rooster of the yard. Sing cock-a-doodle-doo. A brand new day, early one morn, Old Father Rooster awoke at dawn. He heard a new sound, little chip chip. He looked here and there, and what did he peep? Oh, sweet, fluffy little chicks on their mother hen's wing. Now Old Father Rooster wanted to sing. Cock-a-doodle-doo, my hen has chickens new. I am the rooster of the yard. Sing cock-a-doodle-doo. He hopped onto Dobbin's back to do his doodle-doo, but no one could see him there. This really wouldn't do. He flapped and flew with gusto into the apple tree. But the mother hen called higher still, and he did well agree, with even greater effort, to the gable of the stable. Now I can see both far and wide. I will crow I'm best able. Cock-a-doodle-doo, my hen has chickens new. I am the rooster of the yard. Sing cock-a-doodle-doo. The song woke the farmer. What a great to-do! The song woke the pigs, and the cows cried moo. The song woke the mice, and the pussycats too. Even the warm sun came out shining to see those chickens new. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo.